Hi and welcome to Mommy Did You Know? Thank you so much for watching. On this video we're just going to show a little bit about latch positions. One thing that I noticed a lot of my patients, they come in and they're always asking me what's the perfect way to latch the baby. Especially because, as you know, just a wrong latch for a few minutes or even a few sucks or seconds can really be devastating to a mom and her breastfeeding experience. So today I have a very special guest star. And I hope you know who this is. This is Mr. Charlie Brown, and he's gonna help us to show the perfect latch. So one thing that I noticed is that a lot of moms, they come out of the delivery and then they put the baby to the chest, which is great, do some skin to skin. Then the moms, they just put the baby like this, the arms flailing around everywhere, and then they go, take it. And then they wonder why the baby's not breastfeeding. That's because we really have to work on our positioning. So today I'm gonna teach you the cross-cradle position. This is a great position because basically it gives you a lot of control, especially for a newborn baby who doesn't exactly have a lot of strength on their neck or their back muscles. So what you're gonna start off is you're gonna always have the baby chest to chest with you, tummy to tummy, without any clothes or anything in between you guys. This really just helps the baby to breastfeed. Next, you're gonna notice that the baby is tummy to tummy and very secure, safe and secure. Inside here, you're gonna notice that the feet are tucked in and I am supporting over here the back side and the feet. Over here, you can see I am controlling the back and the neck with the palm of my hand, and I just have a little bit of support here on the ears. This is very important because babies, if you don't support their back and their head, they're just gonna be like wobbling all over the place. The next step that we're gonna do, and which is very good because Charlie Brown has a really nice nose, is the first thing that you wanna do is nose to nipple. A lot of people, they put the baby on, and as soon as the baby starts going, they just go, okay, take it. But then what ends up happening is you get a very symmetrical latch. It's like a bullseye latch that the baby's just on the nipple and not really taking the areola. So the trick with this is you are going to, with your outer hand, you're gonna lift up the breast, just like an underwire bra, how it lifts up. You're gonna make a C position here. And then you, if you can express some colostrum, that will be great. Put it on the tip of the nipple. Then what you can do is the nose to the nipple. When the baby starts going ah and makes a nice wide gape with the mouth, ah, you lift up a little bit and put the baby onto the breast. Just make sure that the baby, you can't really see what this is a funny looking mouth, but just make sure that the mouth is around not only the areola, not only the nipple, but is also around the areola. That is the dark part of the breast. If the baby's just on the nipple, it will really tear you up and it will really be painful. A latch can be kind of sore for a little bit and you might feel some tugging, but if you're getting blisters and you're getting cracked and you're just very, very uncomfortable, you definitely want to check out the latch. So the keys for this latch, for a cross cradle, you just have the baby close by, tummy to tummy, and your outer hand here is just lifting up just like an underwire bra, and you can latch the baby on. One good thing about this position is that you do have this hand free that you can use to go about and chase after your other kids and all that good stuff. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope that me and Charlie Brown were able to teach you something today. Goodbye.